Inside Carolina, which is a publication in North Carolina, has reported on that UNC has interviewed Bill Belichick for their vacant head coaching position.
There seems to be something missing there, because if Bill Belichick was interested, you would just hire him. You're UNC, right? What did they do? They just fired Matt Brown, right?
Yeah.
Well, maybe they don't want to follow an old guy with another old guy, but if Bill Belichick is legit interested in coaching at UNC, you would just hire him.
Right, but isn't there a feeling out process? Hey, are you genuinely interested to build a program here, or do you just want to do this for a year?
It's season, it's the NIL era. Who cares? If you can get one of the greatest NFL coaches of all time to come coach at UNC.
Right, but what if it's just because his girlfriend has enrolled at UNC?
Right, I thought of that. When you first told me the story, I started to think, what does this young girl have to do with UNC? There's got to be a reason. But regardless, if he wants to coach there, of course you let him coach there, don't you?
Do you think 17, 18, 19-year-olds are rushing to go to UNC because of Bill Belichick? Honestly, I don't know.
I think you're looking probably at the second tier, right? And I think, you're not taking guys from Alabama to go to UNC because Bill Belichick is there. But you might free up some NIL dollars. If he comes there, you got car dealers or whomever want to be associated with it. I can't believe it would hurt.
We always talk about X's and O's in the NFL. Coaches out-coaching the other coach. In college football, most of the time, it's just who has the better talent, I think. Maybe I'm wrong about that.
This year would be the perfect example to say if you had a good X's and O's guy, maybe Miami's in the playoffs.
I wonder if Bill Belichick, just based off of coaching acumen alone, would be able to, with a subpar roster, out-duel some top-tier team. I don't know. I would love to ask Crowder that.
I just feel like there's something missing in that story.
Hold on, buddy.
That for UNC,
One minute, Bye-bye.
Bill Belichick makes a phone call and says, hey, I'd be interested in that coaching job. And they would say, okay, well, let's come talk to you. We're going to also interview Manny Diaz. And, what are we doing here? He's kind of, punching down.
You moved that board off the camera.
I have a tough time believing
No.
that he would interview at UNC.
What the hell does he want to do in college football anyway, right? Has he fallen off that bad, man? Think about what Tom Brady's doing right now. We spent years debating, is it Bill Belichick or is it Tom Brady? Is it Bill Belichick or is it Tom Brady? Tom left, wins the Super Bowl, now gets paid more than anybody's ever been paid to analyze the game, and is known as the greatest football player of all time. And Bill Belichick is dating a 19-year-old and interviewing for the UNC head coaching position.
Trump doesn't add up.
Hope he takes it.
Do you? I don't want to lose my conference.
Last night, the Miami Heat, they beat the Los Angeles Lakers. Maybe they'll interview LeBron James for their head coaching job, or maybe they'll interview JJ Redick for their head coaching job at UNC also. So it's not going too well for the LA Lakers. JJ called it embarrassing last night. LeBron said it was embarrassing as well. But Tyler, you were bald. Here's what you got to know about